fulfilling all your needful sustainable development. That is your vast skill. It should not harm other business. It should not uh, give some stop other business, other things. So vast scale is also important, and vast scale depends upon your idea. Suppose I start with networking system. Maybe that networking system is hacked by someone, and maybe it catches the personal life of somebody. So if it is harming, it is affecting people, then that is not succeeding. So each and every aspect you have to think, that is the main strategy, so that if your investors come to you or investors are interested in your idea, they have they know that okay, this idea have a vast scale potential to succeed and good portfolio, and this can give the good cash back. I give you one example. One Andrew Hozovic is there, who invested around $250 million in Instagram, and little bit he also invested in some other company. So what happened after 2 to 3 years? That Instagram has given around 3x, 300x, 300 times a good cashback. But in the meantime, other companies just goes down. Whatever he has invested in that company, that investment also he cannot able to return back, get a return back. So this was the issue. So whatever in her pocket was, we can it was just what he had invested lesser than what he got. It means succeeding the your this startup, your vast scale of portfolio should be there. Means if investors are coming, whatever the investment they are giving, or when whatever the investment they are doing in your company, they have get good cashback or good return. So second thing, don't put all your eggs in a one. This is a slogan. Just don't put all your eggs in a one basket. Try to different things, not just one. If you're putting all your money, all your ideas in one thing, what will happen? You cannot manage your goal. You cannot complete your vision, whatever timeline you have given. So this is the main strategy. First of all, you have to your business, your startup should be in a vast scale, so that investors come and they have a confidence, they have a good, they come to know, okay, if I will invest, I will get a good return back. Second thing, if you are putting all your ideas on the same place, then investor also confused that what is your main idea, what is your main business plan. So if you have 2, 3 things, just divide it out and done separately, and select the investors, attract the investors, just sell your ideas and be confident. Now, the best entrepreneurs know this. Every great business built around the secret that hidden from outside. See, if you are discussing your ideas, it's good, because you have to discuss, you have to attract the customer, you have to get the money, you have to attract the investors. But one thing is that there should be one unique secret ideas which cannot be disclosed at any cost. It should be hidden. Then you are a monopoly in your business. Suppose you discuss what happened. Your investors only tell other businessmen, this is the idea, why you are not investing in that. So be hidden, be secret. It's very, very important, because great company is treated as a conspiracy to change the world. And when you share your secret, what happens? Your recipient, your investors, your customers maybe act as a fellow conspirator. Suppose what Google is doing, how the Apple is working, nobody knows. Whatever is the market, it is already done, it is already said. Then we come to know, okay, Apple is doing this, Google is doing that, then LinkedIn is doing this. But main hidden idea, nobody knows. Suppose if I talk about the Pepsi, nobody knows the formula of Pepsi, how to prepare, because it is not patented. So the secret thing to get the success in your startup, main unique property, unique idea should be hidden. It should not disclose, and it should only disclose to your co-founders. Now, the seven main points, seven main things every businessman or every entrepreneur or every startup who is going to do the startup, keep in mind that your unique idea has capability to back through the technology. That is the main important point. If uniqueness is not there, you will get the business for 1 or 2 years, but that is not sustainable. Sustainable means that have capability to change the world, that have capability to transfer in the next generation, that have capability to improvise. That is the breakthrough technology. Then production distribution. Few company what they don't know how to sell their ideas, how to attract the customers. Production distribution is also very important. Sell your idea. Just developing your prototype or developing the product is not important. You have to sell idea. You have to make believe your customer. Who is the customer? Every sector. People of every sector. Suppose I'm talking about the glucometer. Glucometer, diabetic people know that this will check the glucose level, and I come to know the level of my glucose, and accordingly I will go for doctor for diabetes. So selling your idea, how you are making a network, how you are creating your idea good, how you are believing